Ricky and Domino.
Ah, kids, you're here. Perfect. Grab a seat and get comfy. Today we're diving into a world made of bricks. No, not concrete bricks. I'm talking about colorful little pieces that turn your living room into a spaceship, a dragon castle, or even flying toilets. You guessed it. Today's adventure is all about Lego. But before we start, I need to blend in. A squishy old professor like me wouldn't exactly go unnoticed in the land of plastic bricks. There we go. Much better. Now come with me. I'm about to tell you the story of a toy empire that started with wood, a fire, and a man named Ole.
The amazing story of Lego, from fire to fame. A domino. I've always wondered what it would feel like to be a brick, a real one. Imagine walking through a plastic world where everything clicks into place. Wait, my legs just go click? My arms? They're round. And my head turns in one piece? Ah, I'm a mini figure! Domino, you changed too. You're all square, and your legs swivel like a toy. You look so cute like that. But careful, you might lose a brick if you run too fast. Let's go! If the whole world is made of bricks, we're going to explore it, one brick at a time.
In 1932, in a tiny workshop in Denmark, Ole Kirk Christiansen wasn't just making funny-looking ducks. He was laying the first brick of something magical that would one day stick and click all around the world.
Well, it's just a wooden duck. A bit lopsided. Okay, very lopsided. But hey, what if this little guy is the start of something huge? Not exactly Formula One speed, but he's got style, right? Don't worry, someday you'll be famous. Building things, that's what really matters, even if it falls apart. Even if it's just, well, duck-shaped.
Wait, you're telling me the entire Lego universe started with this little wooden duck?
Oh,
Hello,
yes.
I'm a superstar. Quack, quack. It's crazy, though. He started small in his workshop, not knowing he was about to change the world of play. Shows you, even the biggest ideas start with the tiniest wings.
My dear friends, hold on to your glasses, because this is where everything changes. One day, Ole thought to himself, what if I went from ducks to plastic? And bam! He invents the studded brick. Yes, the one that clicks together like magic. This tiny piece of plastic was about to become the king of all toys.
Ah, the 1940s. What a time to be alive and to build. At first, people said, plastic for toys? You must be crazy. But I knew I wasn't just anyone. I could see the future, and everything clicked into place. Literally. These little things, they weren't just toys. They were the building blocks of imagination.
1942, a freezing night in Denmark. A spark. Then, disaster. The Lego factory is destroyed by a terrible fire. Everything burns. The machines, the toys, and Ole Kirk Christiansen's dreams.
Hello, kids. Sometimes in life, it feels like everything is falling apart. In 1942, a terrible fire destroyed my factory. My tools, my toys, my work, all gone. I was scared and very, very sad. I could have given up, said, "It's over." But deep inside, a little voice said, "Don't stop here. Look further. Keep creating." So I got back up, and brick by brick, I rebuilt everything. It wasn't easy, but every day I told myself, even when everything seems lost, there's always something wonderful to invent. That's how Lego was born. A little word from Denmark that means play well. So you listening right now, if you ever feel sad or discouraged, just remember, you can build amazing things. With your imagination, your heart, and a little courage, anything is possible.
In 1943, the brand new factory opens its doors. Ole and his son Gottfried have a brilliant idea. What if we created a system of bricks that fit perfectly together? In 1958, the Lego brick as we know it is patented. Strong, stable, and magical, it changes the world of play forever. Since then, millions of children and grown-ups have built dreams, cities, and even rockets. One brick at a time. Thank you, Ole. You showed us that we should never give up. And that one little brick can become something extraordinary. And that's it, friends. I hope you enjoyed this awesome journey through the Lego story. I mean, who knew a wooden duck, a burning factory, and a tiny plastic brick could change the world? What I learned, never give up on your ideas, even when everything goes up in smoke. Literally, because sometimes the biggest dreams start with just one red brick. And now, it's quiz time. Today's question, in what year was the modern Lego brick invented? A, 1943, B, 1958, or C, 1999? You've got 9 seconds to think about it. And the correct answer was B, 1958. That's the year the Lego brick we all know today was invented. Super strong, super fun, and it helped to build millions of worlds around the globe. Great job if you got it right. And if you didn't, no worries. Learning is the best part. Thank you so much for joining me on this adventure. Always remember, with passion, patience, and one good idea, you can build something amazing. See you soon for another awesome video with me. And Domino! Bye-bye, friends!